Namaskar, my name is Amita Sharma from Myanmar. I am doing this yoga certificate course conducted by Ministry of Ayush. Actually, I always wanted to do yoga, but before I know some basic asanas. But after doing this course, now I can perform so many asanas which I can't count on my fingers. And the credit goes this 36-hour yoga certificate course, and of course our mentor, nursing sir. Before joining this course, I had so many doubts and queries, can I do or not? But sir was quite sure and had faith in me. I can say not in me, in all other students as well. He created such a friendly atmosphere in the class, always encouraged us, so we were not afraid to ask any queries, any question. They taught us so many new techniques like Trataka, Jalniti, which I have never heard before, but now these techniques help me to improve my health. So I recommend this course to all, and thank you once again to nursing sir for teaching us in such a friendly way. Thank you so much.